you very much, first of all. Such a towering personality tanu. And mundu me the small people, but I was inspired ninna kalisin tarvata film club lo took us for dinner. Ee roju ante ma partner kuda London nunchi vacharu. So we have decided to take this Telangana Film Chamber of Commerce ni London ki, Canada ku, America ku. We are going to register this and Nandi Awards kuda cheddamani varu chepparu. So we are coming forward to cooperate and partner with him, and we are decided next to formalize chestamu relationship, and we will also do a formal press release to launch this Telangana Film Chamber of Commerce in UK and Scotland, London lo kuda malli America lo unno Canada lo kuda cheddamani nirnayam cheskunnam. So we want to work with him. So I deeply thank him for his time, and we want to do more things. Including ఏంటంటే the reason తనని నేను కాంటాక్ట్ చేసింది, we wanted to come out with a movie. అది డెఫినెట్గా చేస్తాము ప్రైవేట్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్, బట్ we want to take this to the other parts of the world. అది చేయడానికి తన దగ్గరకు వచ్చాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.